Hello, I'm Tim from Code 1 Maintenance. Code 1 Maintenance is a leading training provider for your military AMT. Today, the task at hand is turnbuckle installation. Purpose of a turnbuckle is to attach aircraft cable together. Airplanes are so large that one piece of cable can't be continuously used. We'll join pieces together to move landing gear, actuator, to move things on the aircraft. We are going to use the tools of the trade today. We're going to use a turnbuckle pin alignment tool, a scratch awl, a cable tensiometer, diagonal sign cutters, safety wire pliers, and safety wire. So let's go ahead and get started on our apparatus. The first thing we do is we actually connect the two pieces of cable together. As you can see, aircraft cable, turnbuckle that's going to join the two. Once we get the two ends started, we're going to tighten. To keep the separate pieces of cable from spinning as we turn the turnbuckle assembly, we're going to use this turnbuckle alignment tool. We're going to put the pins in the cable side of it so that we can spin the turnbuckle in the middle and tighten. As you can see, as I spin the turnbuckle, it's taking out the slack that's in the aircraft cable. In our application today, we want to look for 20 pounds of tension. So we're going to use the cable tensiometer to actually check that. Going to tighten it a little bit more. Alignment tool in. If it gets too hard to turn by hand, we can use this awl to turn it as well to tighten the cable. Once we have the cable tightened, we'll check it to see if it's within aircraft manufacturer specification. And in our case it is. From there we can begin safety wiring it. When safety wiring a turnbuckle, we're going to use a single wrap method. We're going to take a piece of safety wire and bring it up through the center hole in the turnbuckle. And we're going to safety wire each end. So the end that I'm taking off here to my right, make sure that you don't take the safety wire and go around to thread it through the cable end hole. You should stay on the same side. Repeat the same on the other side. I'm going to run the cable through, making sure that I don't wrap myself around the turnbuckle itself. Now that I'm through on both sides, I'm going to pull my safety wire tight. And then I'm going to begin to wrap it. When safety wiring using the single wrap method, we're going to wrap around the end where it threads through, and we're going to wrap ourselves back toward the center of the turnbuckle. We need to accomplish a minimum of 4 twists, 4 turns. Same thing on the opposite side. Through the hole. Looking for a minimum of 4 twists. Once we have our 4 twists, we want to trim off the excess, making sure that it's flush with the turnbuckle itself. We don't want the turnbuckle to be passing through a fair lead and catch on it. And there you have it, a installed turnbuckle, safety wired. As a recap, today's task was installing a turnbuckle. We installed it, safety wired it, and checked it for proper tension per the manufacturer's specification.